Hey everybody, this is Dr. J here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to access your Google Apps for my course. As you can see here, I'm at the Google homepage. For those who don't know how to get to that, you can simply type in google.com from any browser to get to the Google homepage. I also want to say at this time it's probably easier to use Chrome as your web browser when trying to navigate both Canvas and the Google apps that we're going to look at today. So from this homepage, you're going to click on Sign In, or you can go to Gmail, or you can click on these 9 squares here. These 9 squares are your drop-down menu. Either of these is going to be an option to sign you in and also at the same time get you to the app that you're looking for. So if you're already signed in, you might have see your picture here for your email, for your Google account. But you want to make sure that it's the account associated with your TWU email credentials and not your own personal Google account, because otherwise the Drive and the other apps like Hangouts that you will access won't be the ones associated with TWU. So I'm going to start by just going straight here to the Google Apps, and we're going to click on Drive. That's because every class, all of my students are assigned to Team Drive. So you see I have many different accounts. It says choose an account. If you've never used your TWU email this way before, you would click on use another account and just follow the prompts to create that account using your TWU email credentials. Okay. But for me, since I already have a TWU account that I use using Google, I'm going to click on that particular account. I'm going to enter my password, click next, voila. In the left-hand margin here, you see some different items listed here. I'm going to click on Team Drive, and if you're to do this, then you should be able to find every team drive that you're shared with. And in the beginning of class, I created a team drive and added you to that drive. And so you should see your drive under team drives. And of course, I have everyone's drive listed because I'm a member of everyone's team drive. So how do we find Hangouts? Well, there's 2 ways you can do it. First of all, I encourage you to use Hangouts on your phone. It's more user-friendly that way, and you would download the Hangouts app. But since we're on the laptop here, you're going to click here in the top right-hand corner for your menu, and you're going to scroll down because you'll see a lot of different apps. You'll see this chat app, but that's not what you're looking for. You want to look for more and click Hangouts. And it will take you here. You know, on the left-hand side, you see all the different conversations that are going on. You should, if you're assigned to Hangouts, if someone has added you already, you should be able to look here and find your team number and the conversation that you are assigned to. So let's say that you want to create your own group or a new conversation. You would make sure you're in the conversation section. You can click New Conversation, type New Group. At the top, you name your group, Test Group, and click the check mark. There you go. So now you have a new group. What do you do next? Well, there's some times where you might have to add teams to your group. You can do that by clicking on People icon, then click Add People, and then using their email information. I didn't take typing in school. As you begin to type in their email, a list of different emails will populate. Because this is all done on the TWU server, although it's powered by Google, you will see a list of TWU emails pop up, or emails that have been used before through the server. If you click this button here, you can make a video call, start a video call. If you hit the settings, you can change the name. Of the group. Some people have difficulty finding out how to access Hangouts. You can click this box, joining by link, hit copy link, and you can actually paste that link into an email to your members so that they can join, to make it easier for them to find your Hangouts. Okay. Well, that's it for today. I'm hoping that this quick tutorial with a visual will help you be able to use Hangouts and Drive in the future. One last thing. When you are in Drive, too, once you're in Drive, the easiest way to create a document for everyone to see it is go into your Drive and then right click and upload a new folder, a file, or a new Google Doc or Google Slide while you are inside of the Drive. That way you don't have to share it with your team members. They will already see it because it's been shared with them. Because the Drive is already shared with them. So anything inside this Drive, inside folders in the Drive, they will automatically have access to. Okay? Well, thanks for watching. I hope this is very helpful. Have a great day.